Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make pie charts using Matplotlib. So let's get started. Alright, so you know how it goes. So we have to run this pip install Matplotlib, and that just gets Matplotlib on my device. And as you see, the output is here. And now I need to run this. Import matplotlib.pyplot and that's just an alias, so I don't have to type out matplotlib.pyplot the entire time. And below that is %matplotlib inline, and that just tells Google Colab to have our graphs not show up as pop-ups or as new tabs, but just in our thing. Alright, so before we get started, let me create a list. I'll call it data, and I'll just set it equal to 35, 25, 10, 5, and 15. There's our list. And now all we have to do in order to plot this is plt.py data. As you see, our first wedge starts right over here. It starts on this line. So if you drew a graph, this would be the x-axis. So it starts from here. And we can change that in order to make it start somewhere else. So all I have to do is put a comma over here and do start angle equals, let's say, 180 degrees. So if I run this, now it starts like this. It's kind of hard to see which slice of the pie corresponds to what. And that's why we need labels. I can create another list. I'll just call this labels, and I'll set it equal to fruits, veggies, cookies, cakes, pizzas. Alright, so those are my labels, and all I have to do is put a comma over here and do labels equals labels. I'm going to change the name of labels so it isn't confusing. So I'll just say LBL, so labels equals LBL. And now if I run this, we see, boom, our slices now have labels. Okay, so let's say we want one of these slices of our pie to kind of pop out more than the others. Let's say pizza, because, pizza's the best. So I'm going to create a new list. I'll call this EXPLD, explode. I'll set it equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0.15. And this is according to the order of the wedges. So as you see, pizza is the last wedge because fruits is the first one and it starts over here. So I just keep the explode on all of this to 0 until I get to pizza. So now let's try this. Explode equals EXPLD. So as you see, this slice now pops out or explodes more than the others, and that draws attention to it. Let's say we want to give our graph more of a 3D feeling. How do we do that? Well, that's simple. All we have to do inside the parentheses, just put a comma and do shadow equals true. And if you run this, it now has a shadow. You can see it looks more three-dimensional now. And that just makes it look better. Alright, but you see, the thing is, since pizza is our center of attention, we should make it look better. And, it deserves more respect because pizza shouldn't be purple. It should be a better color, like blue. So, let me create a list. I'll call this CLR, and I'll set it equal to purple, orange, green, red, blue. And now over here in our plt.py statement. I'll put a comma over here and do colors equals CLR. And now if I run this, we see that we have altered the colors of our pie chart. So now pizza gets the good color that it truly deserves. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.